Morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Hopefully you are fine and doing great at your home with your families. Unfortunately, due to second wave of pandemic, we again have to meet on for online classes. So beta, please take care of yourself and your families. As you know how to start the class, first of all we have to mention classwork and after that date, which is Monday 30th November 2020. Our subject is English literature, textbook Read Now, and topic Lighthouse. It's a poem and it is on page number 107 of Read Now. So open your books and start reading. So as you can see, I have mentioned date here. First of all, I have mentioned here classwork and after that date, which is 30, 11 and 20. Our topic is the lighthouse. So beta, what is a lighthouse? Lighthouse is just like a tower and usually it is near a sea. As you can see in the picture, it is a lighthouse and it is emitting light. This light is usually used to guide or navigate sea ships. So how it works we will read in this poem. Burning upon some hidden shore. So what is the meaning of shore? Shore is a land adjoining non-floating body adjoining by or near by any water body like ocean, river or lake. It is called a shore. Across the sea one night a little reef. So next word, which is unknown for ourselves, it's reef. Reef is a range of rock, sand, coral near water. Okay, usually it is found near rivers. We saw a shining light. The captain said we saw a shining light. He said there was a lighthouse there. I already explained what is a lighthouse. Where lonely in the sea, men live to guard that moving light. This light can move, so you can find out, and you have to make the picture of this lighthouse on your notebooks and trim the lamp for me. What is the meaning of trim? Trim to give shape or the shape you want it. It is called trim by cutting. For me, for him, for every ship that passes by that way. I thought it must be strange and quiet to be there every day. Strange, unusual, or odd. They have no shops, no fields, no streets, no whispering sounds of trees, but always shouting at their feet the great voice of the seas. Obviously, it is near the shore because it is near a sea, and there are usually, obviously we know that there are no shops, no fields, no streets, or no whispering sounds of trees. What is the meaning of whispering sound of trees? It means when the tree moves due to wind, it makes sound. It is called whispering of sound. Whispering, what is whispering? Whispering to speak in low voice in someone's ear. The great voice of the seas, but always shouting at their feet the great voice of the seas. When the water hit the base of lighthouse, it is referring it to the feet. And when we sleep at night, they awake, and over every wave they send their straight long arm of light stretched like a rope to save. As you know that light travel in straight lines, so we have to you can understand that they are referring the straight line of light as long arm of light stretched like a rope to save. So in this poem, I already explained that lighthouse is used to guide the ships or the sailors, captains to find out the proper way. Okay, so they are referring or telling us that it is found on the seashore and there are no one over there. The lighthouse keeper is always alone there to show people light, or so when no one around to help the ships, there is always lighthouse standing alone on the seashore. So beta, this was our topic for today. Take care, Allah Hafiz.